Popular collagen serums include SkinCeuticals Retinol 0.5, Ole Henriksen Truth Serum, and Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. Apply collagen serum before wrinkled areas like crow's feet or nose-to-mouth lines set in. Use throughout the day as needed to maintain hydration and prevent new wrinkles. Collagen serums absorb quickly into skin and provide quick firming benefits. Collagen creams and gels contain hydrolyzed collagen and/or collagen peptides to moisturize, soften skin and boost collagen production from within. Best for daily use, collagen creams from brands such as Rock Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream, Stridix Maximum Retinol Serum PM, and Peter Thomas Roth Retinol Fusion. Moisturizer strengthen skin and minimize wrinkles over time. Look for ingredients like hydrolyzed collagen, collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, and dimethicone. Collagen masks contain activated charcoal, hyaluronic acid, and hydrolyzed collagen to deeply hydrate, soften wrinkles, and stimulate collagen growth. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. Use 1 to 2 times a week on wrinkled areas like forehead, around eyes, nose, and mouth. Popular collagen mask brands are Painful Futon, Acura Organics, and Holika Holika. Collagen masks deliver intensive hydration and firming benefits for wrinkled skin. Take collagen supplements or pills to boost collagen amounts in the body. Collagen supplements usually contain type 2 skin collagen or collagen peptides. Follow dosage directions for 3 months to see increased skin firmness, hydration, and wrinkle reduction. Collagen supplements support skin health and anti-aging from within. With regular use of collagen products including serums, creams, masks, and supplements, significantly reducing wrinkles and tightening loose skin is possible. For enhanced results, combine methods such as serum before cream or mix a collagen treatment with a retinol. Be consistent and patient as collagen treatments take weeks and months of use to be effective. For stubborn wrinkles, medical procedures may also help along with an at-home collagen regimen. By boosting collagen both internally and externally, you can keep skin looking healthy, hydrated, wrinkle-free, and full of vitality at any age. Use collagen to rejuvenate skin tone, minimize signs of aging, and protect skin from environmental damage. Stay committed to collagen and you'll achieve supple, smooth, and bright skin. Collagen is key to anti-aging beauty and skin goodness. Collagen is a protein that is naturally found in the skin and is responsible for its elasticity and firmness. As we age, our collagen production decreases, which can lead to the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. To combat this, many skincare products contain collagen to help boost the skin's elasticity and firmness. In this guide, I will take you through some tips on how to use collagen products to help fill in wrinkles and increase skin elasticity. Start with a clean face. Before using any collagen products, it's important to start with a clean, makeup-free face. Use a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt or impurities, and then pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Apply a collagen serum. Collagen serums are a great way to deliver a concentrated dose of collagen to the skin. Apply a small amount of collagen serum to your face and neck, and gently massage it into your skin using circular motions.